Hello captains, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing. So this model is off eBay. Okay, without further ado, I will just open the box. So this is a pre-recorded video from last month, January. I'm just releasing it now. Right, there's the model. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Hainan Airlines 787 from Phoenix in 1400. I thought this model will be perfect for Dubai, because obviously Hainan, a Chinese airline, so flying to Dubai. But yeah, let me show you the box. Here it's Boeing 787-8, this one is. Photo of the plane, Hainan Airlines, registration Bravo-2739. There we go. Said no damage, but we'll check. Oh, it's cold. This model is cold. Right, let's see. Yep, solid. Yeah, okay. It seems solid, seems good. Right, okay. Main part now to zoom in. Bit dirty, but I'll clean it later. Right, here at the front you have your cockpit windows, the little wipers, your nose, your 3 pitot tubes, H and A, whatever that means. You can see here 2739 ETOPS, that means it's ETOPS certified. Front landing gear, front door, Hainan Airlines logo, and I guess that says Hainan Airlines in Chinese. Second boarding door, your engine, Hainan Airlines titles, main gear, registration once again B-2739, 787-8, back door, Hainan logo on the tail. On the other side it's the same, you just have your front baggage hold and your back baggage hold there. Antenna there on the bottom. On the underside, got your front gear with the detail for the front door. Main gear, Phoenix logo. Amazing. This is a nice plane. The guy also agreed to a lower price, so that's good. I like these front blades. Yeah, nice model by Phoenix. I recommend. For this model will be perfect for Dubai. So thank you for watching. I see you in the next video. Goodbye.